Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking. In this video, we are going to examine Tools feature number 6, Linked Objects, for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on Tools and then click on Linked Objects, the menu to the right appears. It shows all of the objects that have outside sources within my Google Doc. So if I click on my chart, I can see that I can choose to click on this down arrow and I can either unlink the object or open the source. When I open the source, I can see where the object was originally created. In this case, it was created in Google Sheets. However, you also have the option to insert objects without a link, such as this Google drawing I put in this Google Doc. If I want to unlink an object, all I have to do is click on the down arrow and click Unlink. Now there are no linked objects within my Google Doc. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.